Previous video I discussed the question number 1, first and third part. Yes. So in this video I will cover the remaining part of the question number 1, exercise 2.2, chapter polynomial. Yes. So you can see question number second. In question number second, it is given 4s s square minus 4s plus 1. Again the same concept, that will find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. So we will find the zeros and we will verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So here you can see we know that a is 4, b is minus 4 and c is 1. So we want two numbers whose sum should be equal to what, b, that is minus 4, and the product should be AC. AC means 4 into 1 is 4. So here we can see that the factors of 4 will be 4, 2, 1 are 2, 2 to the 4. So we are getting 2 and 2, 1 are 2. So here we can write as 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Yes. Between these two terms, you can see we can take 2s common. So if I will take 2s common, so 2s, so here remaining is 2s minus 1. And here we can take minus 1 common, so 2s minus 1. So we can say that 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. Yes. Or we can say that we are getting here 2s minus 1 whole square. Yes, both are having same meaning. So when 2s minus 1 is equal to whole square is equal to 0, so s is equal to 1 by 2 here. So we can put 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. So we can say that s is equal to 1 by 2 and the other 0 will be also 1 by 2 here, because 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we can say that 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Yes. So here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Both zeros are same. 1 by 2 are the zeros of polynomial. Yes. So here we can say that sum of zeros is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1. And here if we are observing, so we can see that the value of the coefficients, yes, b is minus 4. Yes. So we can say that 1 we can also write like that, minus 4 divided by 4. Yes. And we can take minus sign outside. Yes, so it is also equal to 1. So we can say that minus and minus 4 is what, b and a. So we can say that sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. We have already learned this formula. And now you can see product of zeros, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So if I will multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 we can say that 1 is, you can see, c is equals to 1. So this is, we can write as c and c by a. So here in that way we can verify the relationship. Yes, minus b by a and upon c by a. Now we can see the next question. Yes, question number 4. It is given 4u square plus 8u. So question number 4, 4u square plus 8u. Yes. So here again we can first factorize 4u, we can take common. So it will become u plus 2. Yes. Now we can say that 4u and u plus 2 is equals to 0. We can find the zeros. So u is equals to 0 or u plus 2 is equals to 0. So u is equals to 0 or u is equals to minus 2. So here we are getting two values of u. This polynomial is given in terms of u, so we can say that pu. Yes. So here 0 and minus 2 are the zeros of pu. Now you can see, if you are observing here, so a is what, coefficient of u square is 4 and b is 8. Constant term is 0. Yes. So we can verify the relationship, sum of zeros. Yes. So sum of zeros is 0 plus minus 2. So 0 plus minus 2 is what, minus 2. And here we can say that b is 8 and a is what, 4, and this, so we can minus 2 write like that also. So 8 is what, b. The sum of zeros is what, minus b by a. In that way we can verify the relationship. Everybody knows sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is minus b by a, and product of zeros you can see in this question, p by a. Everybody knows this formula. So this relationship we are trying to verify. So here 0 into minus 2, please multiply. So it will be 0. And if I am putting here C, 0 and A is what? 4. 0 by 4 is also 0. So we can say that it is equal to C by A. So product of zeros will be C by A. Now we can see the next question. Question number 5. T square minus 15. Yes. T square minus 15. So here you can see this polynomial is given in terms of T. So T square minus 15. So we can say that uh, we can apply the formula A square minus B square. Yes. In that way we can factorize. So A plus B, A minus B. Everybody knows, we have learned in lower grades also. So it will become what? T root 15 and T minus root 15. In that way we can factorize. Yes. How? Because this T square and this 15 we can write as root 15 whole square. Now we can write T plus root 15 using the above formula and T minus root 15. In that way we can do. Now T plus root 15, yes, is equal to 0. So T is equal to minus root 15 and T minus root 15 is equal to 0. So T is equal to root 15. So here zeros or zeros of PT are minus root 15 and plus root 15. Yes. So sum of zeros we can find sum of zeros. So here we can see also, here in this problem, A is what? Coefficient of T square 1, B, there is no coefficient of T. So 0 and C is what? Minus 15. Yes, we can see sum of zeros, root 15 and minus plus minus root 15. If I will add, it will be equals to 0. So we can say that this will be equals to what? Minus B. 0 we can also write like that, 0 by 1. So minus B by A, we can say that. Product of zeros. So root 15 and minus root 15. So it will be equals to 15. Yes. And that will be equals to minus root 15. Minus 15. So we can say that this will be equals to C. And minus 15 we can also write like that. Minus 15 by 1. So it will be equivalent to C by A. So in that way we can, yes, this is minus 15 by A, so C by A. So in that way we can verify the relationship. So question number 5 is also done. Now I think one more question is remaining. That question number 6, yes, 3x square, this one, 3x square minus x minus 4 is 3x square minus x minus 4, 3x square minus x minus 4. So here A is 3, B is minus 1 and C is minus 4. So here we can factorize 3x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. Now we can say that x common, so 3x minus 4. Yeah. Here we need to factorize in, we want, yes, we want here, yes. So here you can see, if we want to factorize it, so here we want sum should be equals to B, that is minus 1, and product should be equals to AC. Minus 4 into 3, let's see, minus 12, yeah. So we can factorize prime factors of 12, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3, 3 1 are 3. Now we want here minus x, so it should be 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. In that way we need to factorize. So in that way we can split minus x, splitting the middle term, so we can take x common, so 3x minus 4, and here we can take 1 common, so 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 and x plus 1, yes, x plus 1. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So here we will get x is equal to 4 by 3 or x is equal to minus 1. Clear? Now we can verify the relationship sum of zeros. sum of zeros will be 4 by 3 and plus minus 1. We can take the LCM 3. So 4 minus 3. So it should be 1 by 3. Yes. So 1 by 3 if we are observing. So B is what? 1 and A is 3. So we can say that minus B and A is what? 3 minus B by A. The product of zeros we can see. Yes, product of zeros is 4 by 3 into minus 1. So that will be equal to minus 4 by 3. And here in this question, if you are observing, the value of C is what? Minus 4 and A is what? 3. So in place of minus 4, we can write C. And in place of 3, we can write A. So in that way, you can see we verified the relationship between the coefficient of zeros and coefficient of the quadratic polynomial and zeros of the polynomial. Yes. So this is all about the question number 1, all parts. Yes, all parts are done now. Thank you.